Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. This is Yamaha FZ version 3 bike. In this video, we will learn how to find out engine number. So to find out engine number, you have to go to the engine side. This is engine, and here uh, you can find engine number. So in my bike, engine number is printed here. This is engine number. Engine number is printed. Read this. So if you would like to find out engine number of your bike Yamaha version 3, what you have to do is go to the engine side and see here. Okay, in this way you can easily find out engine number of our bike. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.